Okay, how high is the water, Mama? I say it's 7 feet high and rising. Yay! Okay, so this is where the house is. And then if you go down to the creek, it is now over the dam's abutment. And we've had it so that it lapped up to here. So we still have about another 4 feet to go before it will be as tall as it's ever been. And I didn't get all the apples off the apple tree. Okay. Anderson Creek and Bear Canyon Creek are raging. Bye. Oh, December 2nd, 2012.